Hello, my name is Edila Edwin. I'm studying at Polytechnic Sandakan Sabah. Right now, I am doing MOOC for communicative English too. I will talk about two products, and I will make comparison both of products. The product that I will talk is plastic food storage container and microwave plastic container. So, I will talk about plastic food storage container first. These plastic food storage container are made by Apelades. The material is made from plastic. But don't worry, it's safe to use because it's BPA free and secure with lids. This plastic food storage container also thick and unbreakable. It's durable. As we can see, the color of this container has two. The one is green and white. The function of this container is it's easy to store all of food and snack. And it also can put two different types of food. Let me show an example. Like this. And second, I will talk about microwave plastic container. It also made from plastic, but it's not safe because the material contain chemical that may leach into food when it's heated. It also cannot stand for a long period of use, and it's just available in white only. This plastic container also thick and easy to broken, and it just can put one only type of food. Like this. So, which mask is better? If I will prefer to food storage container because it's durable and can be used for a long period of time. And we also can put two different types of food. So, that's all for me. Thank you.